Good news, bad news. The bad news is that I have to take a break from working on the bush plan this weekend. The good news is that my day job takes me to Hawaii twice, Kauai and the Big Island, where I plan on taking a bunch of sample footage with the GoPro Hero 11 Black, as well as the Hero 11 Black Mini. So let's go to Hawaii.
Oh, you want me to leave? Oh, okay. Oh.
Amazing, don't you see? I deserve it. Life when no was clear, but now I see the picture perfect. Flying in the air, I don't deserve them, but I earned it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do what I seen ya? All the years of grinding, it's just time, and I deserve it. I tell them again, they look at my wins, but I deserve it. It's me and my friends, we counting the ends, and we deserve it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do what I seen ya? All the years of grinding, it's just time, and I deserve it.
Let's get to Hawaii.
Morning. Let's go get a bike, go for a bike ride. So to test out this contrast as well as the wind attenuation, I'm kind of going downwind, so there's not a ton of wind. So we flew into Lihue last night and we stay a few miles north in Waipuli. Got the bike, started headed north past Kapa'a, and I'm right here at Kealia Beach right now. So we're gonna see Kona tomorrow. It's on the leeward side, so a little bit less wind, a little more opportunity to get in the water. I'm right by the nude beach, Donkey Beach. I'll turn off the camera now. Now we're on the Big Island, let's go to Kona. Ah, Kona, I love it here. There's some whales. Let's try to see what the zoom lens can do on this thing. Okay, we're zoomed all the way into 1.4. Alright, so let's try cropping. So there's a school of dark colored fish right there that I can see pretty easily with the naked eye. And in post, I'm just gonna crop. Okay, so we're recording at like 5.3K, so we're just gonna zoom in to see kind of where it starts getting pixelated. And I'll post this as a 4K image on YouTube. Okay, this is auto boost stabilization in wide mode, right? So as a reminder, there's linear, linear plus lock, wide, super view, and then hyper view. So this is kind of the middle ground, I suppose, of focal length, if you will. Obviously the horizon isn't gonna be locked, but I'm just walking at a normal pace. Here's run, it's called a jog. Okay, here's auto boost, linear plus lock. And we're in hyper view. Obviously probably super distorted, you're gonna get my arm. We're on auto boost stabilization, that hasn't changed. There's no horizon lock. Such a shame, Ray's is a casualty of COVID. coming back, man. We're not bothering. I'm gonna tell you what.
Pretty amazing, huh?
This is beautiful.
Nothing like it.
Nothing like it. Hi. Still here. Lost track of time. Only have an hour to the van. Okay, now I am seriously late with this.
I can't believe my eyes playing in the dark. We were hiding in the night. You were
So easy. Good bearings.
in your mother's yard. There was fire in the air. Such a beautiful.
All right, that's it. I gotta get back to work. I really hope you got something out of this video. Mele Kalikimaka. Thanks to Hawaii for being so beautiful and being my views. Until next time, stay in your flavor right. Oh, God.
Bodies below.